You'll hear so many times when it comes to manifesting that you need to get specific in order to get what you want. And honestly, most of the time when you are manifesting something, you do want something in particular. It's usually not just random. I mean, nobody just tries to manifest some money. It's usually a certain amount, and most importantly, it's usually because they need that certain amount for something specific. And if you're looking at the things you're trying to manifest currently, it usually has a function. There is typically a reason why you want or need it. It's not random. Any desire that you've ever had is born out of not having it. But there is a technique that you can use to attract this specific thing you want with laser beam focus and precision, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Trust me, this is a process that most people don't know, but it works, and it works really quickly. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And before we dive into this video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button right down there below. And I mean like really do it, because what I'm about to share with you is gold. And it also lets me know that you're getting value from my channel and getting value from these videos. So once you do that, let's get into it. So here's what to do so that you can manifest the specific thing that you want. I'm gonna get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to get clear on the reason behind why you want this specific thing. And no, it's not just because I do. There's always a reason. Get specific. This is what most people refer to as your why. What is your why? Why do you want this specific thing? Feel free to journal it all out or meditate on it, whatever works best for you. And the reason why this is the first step and why it's the most important is because you are getting clear on what this thing would provide for you. This helps you identify the essence and the feelings you need to tap into to become an energetic match and attract it into your reality. We're gonna get to that part in a minute. And if you wanna dive even deeper into the whole process of becoming an energetic match, I actually made a whole video about it, and I will leave a link up here and a link down below. So I highly recommend watching this video afterwards. I mean, go ahead and click that now so it pops up in the next screen and watch that one next. So now that you've figured out your why, see if you can narrow it down even more. Laser beam focus here. See if you can pick one word that identifies this essence or feeling that this thing would provide for you. I mean, look at everything you wrote down or examine everything that you meditated on and see if there's a common theme. For example, if you're manifesting a new job and the why is because you want more time in your day and you want to earn more money so that you can buy a new house and buy a new car, the way you would narrow that down, you could look at the reasoning why. And in this scenario, when you break it down, you'd identify that the real reason you want this job comes down to providing freedom. That is the essence this thing would provide for you. There is your one word why, freedom. Do you see what I did there? I narrowed it down specifically. You could go on and on all day about all of the reasons why you want something, but pick the fundamental one so that you can move on to the next step. Choose a one word why. And if you can't sum it up in one word, don't overthink it. Just try and keep it under 3 to 4 words. But just getting to the essence and feeling of what this thing would provide for you. And now the next thing you are going to do is super quick, but it will actually create a huge shift in the way that you manifest this thing. The next step is to identify whether or not this thing is a want or a need. Want or need. Sounds easy enough, but here is what I mean. Do you just really want this thing because you think it would be enjoyable and you just desire it? Or do you need it? And by need, I mean, does it seem like everything in your life will fall apart if you don't have this? Will you not be able to function or move forward without it? And be honest with yourself, because most people confuse the two. Do you really need this, or do you just really want this? I know it's really easy to think you need something, but the reality is that as humans, our really basic needs are just food, water, shelter at its most basic. The reason it's important to understand whether or not this thing is a want or a need is because these are two completely different energies. When you want something, there is an energy of a burning desire to have it. But when you need something, sometimes that energy becomes desperate or frantic or obsessive, and that is never the energy you want to approach manifesting with. Trust me, your energy doesn't lie. And when you come in with that energy, you will literally repel what you want away from you because you are living in lack. And that is not what we want. So now that you've picked your why and clarified whether or not it's a want or a need, here is what you are going to do. And this part is my favorite. So this part is really going to depend on you and what works best for you. And I know people hate hearing that because they like structure and knowing if they're doing something right. I get it. And also, if that's you, stay tuned for a few more minutes to the end of this video because I have something for you that you will love if you are this way. If you're type A and like to know if you're doing it right and you like exact structures, stay tuned towards the end. But what you are going to do now is play out this experience in present tense. And to do this, you can meditate, you can journal, you could just sit there with your feelings, but play out this experience in your body and mind as if it's happening now. You see, your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imaginary. It really only knows what you feed to it. And in this case, you are feeding the experience of this specific thing that you want being here now. This should feel enjoyable, exciting, exhilarating, maybe even relief. It's all dependent on what you're manifesting. And as you are in this experience, you are going to repeat this in your mind. It's here, it's mine, I did it. It's here, it's mine, I did it. It's here, it's mine, I did it. And do this at your own pace, allowing it to be very natural and connecting to those words while living in the experience. You're connecting words and feelings at the same time. And if repeating this while you're in the experience is too much or it takes you out of it, if it's overwhelming, then wait till you are done living in the experience and then repeat those words with feeling completely connected to them afterwards. It's here, it's mine, I did it. And feeling that word that you chose throughout your whole body, just culminating that feeling while repeating, it's here, it's mine, I did it. And once you feel satisfied that you are finished and you have lived out this experience and accepted it as real, it's time to let go of it, which is the part that so many people have the most trouble with. And to do this, you need to remember this idea. You would never ask for something you already have. So how can you get into that place of complete faith? Anytime you start noticing yourself obsessing or thinking about this thing, say to yourself, it's already mine. Let go and move on. It's already mine. And the biggest thing you have to know is you have to let go of how it's going to happen and in what way. Don't try to control or expect it to come from anywhere. Not your job, not a person, not anything. Allow it to flow through you without shutting off the possibility of how it will flow to you. When you limit things based on how you want or expect them to show up, it takes so much longer and you are no longer open to the magic of infinite possibility and ease. What if it could show up easier than you expected? Don't try and control the how. It's not only not enjoyable, it's not magical. Let go of the how. I can only say this so many times. Release it. Stop thinking it has to come from something and allow it to flow through something in the best possible way. And like I had mentioned, if you are one of those people I just talked about who like structure and exact processes, you're a type A, you like to follow something and know that you're doing it right, I highly, highly recommend you check out my Manifesting Activation System. This is a revolutionary step-by-step program designed to activate the 6 powerful principles that make manifesting and the law of attraction actually work. This system lays out all the steps in a specific order, and all you have to do is plug in what you want to manifest, and you just follow it. This is really unlike any other manifesting program, and it uses a combination of quantum physics, energy work, subconscious programming, and mindset work designed to clear resistance, shift your energy, and create new beliefs and expectations about what you get to have. It's very, very structured. So if you want more information, I will leave a link up here and a link down below to the Manifesting Activation System. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a video. And also be sure to leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you and I try and read through all of them every single day. And also be sure to head on over to my Instagram at mkmagicmindset. And last but not least, check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, where you can find the Manifesting Activation System and so much more. And I will see you in the next one.